everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and today I'm going to be unboxing a huge haul of Too Faced. First, I just want to say, if my face seems a little shiny to you, extra glowy, it's because it is. I used Ulta Illuminating Setting Powder, and this is what it did. It made my face very illuminated, so shiny. If you like shiny, then get the Ulta Illuminating Setting Powder. Personally, I would never put this on my forehead again because it is showing me wrinkles that were never there before. But on the cheeks, sure. But yeah, no forehead. So, but if you like extra shiny, that's for you. Anyway, so I actually have two big boxes of Too Faced. Now, a little bit about me. Just gonna be honest here. I like a deal. I like a sale. I like to buy things on sale, and I like to get the best deal. And if you ever ask Josh, he will tell you that I'm always telling him stories of, oh my god, I got this for 5 cents, or oh my goodness, I got this 2 for 1, 3 for 1. So I'm always getting deals, and I love getting deals, and it's hard for me to pay full price for stuff. And especially Too Faced stuff, I like their stuff, but I feel like I don't want to say overpriced, but I feel like the price is out of my budget for makeup, definitely. So I only buy stuff if it's on sale. I bought some 2 for 1 stuff there before, or buy something and get a couple things free or whatever. So that's how I've tried their stuff, and I do like it, but I don't have a lot of their stuff, or I didn't have a lot of their stuff because it was out of my personal price range. So they apparently have a biannual sale, and I just hit the last one, and it was stuff up to 75% off. So I got a huge amount of stuff for a really good price, really good deal, and I basically went hog wild because the prices were so low. I also used a card that I get points on, so I got a ton of points, and I bought through Ebates. I think they changed their name recently, but I bought through Ebates, so I also got cash back. So I ended up getting a lot of stuff at a pretty low price. So if you like Too Faced, but it's a little out of your budget, I would look for those biannual sales. You just missed one. Right now it's September 2019, so you just missed one, and you should be seeing one in 6 months, I guess. But yeah, look for that because the deals are incredible. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox, I guess this little guy first. So cute. This one is cute and small. But I have to watch my spending because I am a freelance filmmaker, and that maybe sounds super glamorous, but it's really not. What it means is it's expensive. It's difficult to make a film. It costs a lot of money to make a film, and I do work as crew to make ends meet. I do extra work to make ends meet. I do all kinds of other things. I also make jewelry. I sell soaps. Well, I make soaps with Josh, and we sell them. And we sell antiques as well. And I do all kinds of things to make ends meet, odd jobs, this and that. So the first thing in this box is Unicorn Tears Highlighter. I was thinking it might be fun to put some stuff on as I go. So here's the box. And here's the little highlighting stick. How cute. Now this is something I wouldn't have bought if it wasn't on sale, so inexpensive, but it is so cute. I couldn't pass it up. Oh, and this stick looks like this little horn. So, and I'm just going to say a lot of this stuff isn't going to be new products because they don't have their new products on sale. They're getting rid of old stuff. So this is older stuff, just stuff that I was never, just stuff that was out of my budget. I'm just going to try just a teeny bit on, even though it's on top of this illuminator. Ooh. I'm going to dab that in. So that shines, although like I said, I have the illuminator on, but it makes a little bit, I can see a teeny bit of a color shift there. That's pretty. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, Unicorn Dreams. I forget. I ordered this a little bit ago. Not too long ago, but a little bit ago. So I forget everything that's in here. And I would not have bought both of these except for the sale. That is very cute. And it's the same thing, but this one has a little bit of a pink shift. Let's try that on here. The only reason why I'm talking like that is because this illuminating powder is already super. So there's pink. There's blue. The blue one reflects back a little bit more. So this is it's like a pinky gold, if you can see that. I feel like I'm so shiny. Okay, what else is in this box? It comes with this pink. Look at that. That's really cute. So, oh, Love Flush. Long-lasting blush in Love Hangover. So these are really cute. I don't know if you've seen them or if you have them. Oh, mine's broken. Oh, that's too bad. But you know what? It was inexpensive and I'm still going to use it. I might repress it. The sad thing is that it comes with this cute image that is not going to be on there. So here is the white chocolate bar. And that's what it looks like inside. And it does kind of smell, oh, that makes my face look funny, the gold. It kind of smells chocolatey, like cocoa more. Yeah, it smells like a Swiss Miss packet, actually. But this is cute. I like colors. I'm going to use it. I'm excited to use it. And then I got a couple free things, too. So I got the Hangover RX Prime Set Refresh. I got a sample size for free. And I got glitter glue sample for free as well. This also has the pink paper inside. And I got a Born This Way sample. And another free sample of glitter glue. Okay, and Unicorn Tears, this time it's a lipstick. So it's like a blue. It's like a shimmery glitter topper. I'll just put it on. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. So it makes sort of a, well, you see what it does. It makes like a shimmery, glittery topper. I like that. Okay, what else is in here? I'm really excited about these. So this is part of why I purchased the stuff. I wanted to get these. They're part of the line of Too Faced did a thing where they're like were making these old colors with new formulas. So they were like their 90s original colors. And I might do a swatch video of these later, because I got a bunch of them. I might have got the whole line. So I'm not going to actually show off all these now. Especially I like this color. So anyway, there's Pixie Sticks. This is Marsha. This is TF20. This is Too Hot. This is Hoochie. This is That Girl. So we have another Love Flush, Baby Love. And sadly the box is mushed, so I'm wondering if this one is also all messed up. No, it's good. Okay, so that's what that looks like. That is so darling. So I'm so happy that that looks good. I mean, it's not going to stay like this because I am going to use them. I'm happy that it looks like that now because I can enjoy it for a short while. It has a scent, but it's like a makeup scent, not like a candy scent or anything like that. So I don't recommend smelling them. I think this is the last one I got, but I Will Always Love You. It says it's a 16-hour blush. This one also came intact and not broken, so that's nice. So that's why I'm not that upset about the other one. So the next thing is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, which I think I've been wanting to try, and then picked up because of the sale. The Chocolate Bonbon palette, and I've seen other people use this, and it looked really cute. Okay, so there's a little thing in there showing you different looks you can do and how you can get those looks. And this is the cover, and it is a metallic, like a little tin of chocolates, which is very cute. And then here are the colors. Then the thing that I've been really wanting, one of the reasons why I was so excited about this sale, is the Then and Now eyeshadow palette. So this goes with all the Then and Now lipsticks. So this is their original shades made with a modern formula. And it shows on the back, I'll just show you. So on the back it shows the 1998 to, right? Oh, yeah, the original 1998 and the 2018. So you can see this is a little bit of an older palette, and that is probably why, I mean, I'm sure that's why it was on sale, but for me, it was worth the wait. It's their original logo on the front and their new logo on the back. And I think that, I think Estee Lauder owns Too Faced now, but Too Faced is cruelty-free and vegan. And I wouldn't buy them if I try not to buy anything that's not. This is the front. I have on accident bought things that weren't vegan, but I always try to look and make sure that everything is cruelty free and vegan because it's makeup, really. I mean, I'm also a vegetarian, but honestly, I feel like it's makeup, and to cause suffering for animals or to kill animals or even insects to use for our vanity, I feel like is dumb. So anyway, here are all the colors. And it comes with a mirror, obviously. And see the skull face astronaut t-shirt I'm wearing. So, this is the palette I really wanted, I couldn't afford, and it was on a super discount, and I feel like it was a really good price. The sale is not going on anymore. I'm sorry, everybody, but definitely look for their biannual sale. The prices are great. The other place you can get Too Faced stuff for a discount is Nordstrom Rack, the online as well. TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I'm not trying to discourage you from buying them full price. I'm just trying to let you know that you can get them at a discount if you don't have the budget to buy them full price. I hope you enjoyed this Too Faced haul. That was everything that I got from the semi-annual up to 75% off sale. Thanks for joining me today, and thanks for watching.